Now, watch what happens when I do this. So this is the price based, but we'll do a time based. I'm going to draw my 0 on this happening, and then I'm going to draw 100% on the next happening. Now watch what mysteriously happens when I do. Notice I have on here 38.2 fib, but we want to do it beyond, right? So we're measuring the following cycle. So we're going to go 1.382, and then we'll go 1.618. So one happening. Next happening, damn. Is that worth paying attention to? I mean, do you see how that's 38.2? Happening event, top of the market. So we know that the last happening was May 11th. How ironic, it was my birthday. And that was, I think it was 2019. Was it 2019 or 2020? So I guess it was 2020, was it then? So May 11th, right in there. Boom. And of course, we know that this is coming up here. So what we'll do is we'll do like a time-based fib study. Not a price-based fib study, but a time-based fib study. And actually, you know what we'll do for fun is let's put on the previous happening event. So that was, I got the dates up here. Let's go make it easy on us. And you can see I've already done this before, but anyway. Oh yeah, okay. So there, is that the happening there? May 11th, 2020? I don't have it marked. I think that's what it was. And then we had the other one here, July 2016. That's the number I want. February, July 2016. Something like that. Now, watch what happens when I do this. I'm going to take the time-based fib study. So this is the price-based, but we'll do a time-based. I'm going to draw my 0 on the this happening, and then I'm going to draw 100% on the next happening. Now, watch what mysteriously happens when I do. Notice I have on here, I don't know what I have on here, but we'll set this up. 38.2 fib, and then things like, let's go, but we want to do it beyond, right? So we're measuring the following cycle. So we're going to go 1.382, and then we'll go 1.618, and then we'll go like 1.786. Now let's stretch this from one happening event to the next happening event. Look what happened. So one happening, next happening, damn. Is that worth paying attention to? I mean, do you see how that's 38.2? Happening event, top of the market. What's the happening event prior? Who can give me the one prior to that? I mean, this is freaky how consistent this is. This world. I'm giving you the fucking secret of the universe. Isn't that incredible? All right, yeah, okay. So there, so somebody said, "What? Okay, so what? Do the previous one. Do the previous one." So the previous one was November 2012. Was it that far back? Okay, November 28th. All right, so let's go there, something like that. Then let's clone this. Right. And I don't want to give away the secret sauce, so let's back it up here. And then we'll go happening event to happening event. And hello, look at that. Fuck me. I mean, it can't be this easy, can it? So, does anybody want to know the exact date of the next top of the market? Viewers go down. Hello, Chris. Aren't you? Are you enamored by that at all? All right. Well, what the hell? For fun, we'll finish off this. This is a great learning piece for all of you. Because I tell you, I mean, Jesus, this is, I don't know whether I want to make a short out of this or whether I want to maybe up my prices for our goddamn education program. Anyway, so here is our upcoming Bitcoin halving event, right? April 2024. So let's put that bar right there. Oh, and by the way, look at these buying windows. Maybe we should mention that. Look at this, 61.8 to 78.6. Was that a good buying window? How about this? 61.8 to 78.6. Was that a good buying window? What do you think? Is this stuff that maybe you want to add to your repertoire? Hit the like button, subscribe, ring Colleen's bell. Yeah, geez, I'm giving you guys the secret to the goddamn market here. I mean, it's remarkable, and this is for free. Not even any advertising or anything. Jeez, I should shut the hell up. All right, so for fun, let's figure out where the next happening event top will be. And the great part about Bitcoin, right, is it has these fundamental event windows. So it's like nothing changes. So happening event, to halving event. And there's 38.2. So it like literally tells you exactly where you should be thinking about getting the hell out. Has Brian talked to you at all about wanting to maybe get the front out of the market into the fall of 2025 and then the sort of beginning of 2026? Would that be worth paying attention to, just based purely nothing else, but just purely on the fact that these 38.2 seems to define the bull market in crypto? Absolutely. I mean, it's shocking. Now, as I had said there before,